Have you ever felt like you're just not hitting the right notes when you sing? Maybe you're struggling with singing in tune and you're wondering how to improve. I'm Dominika, your singing coach from Singing Carrots, and I'm here today to talk to you about our pitch training game designed to help you sing more accurately and confidently. Let's first talk about why people sing out of pitch. Singing in pitch is actually a process that involves multiple skills. It's listening, remembering, and controlling your muscles to produce the right sound. So when we sing, we constantly compare what we hear with what we want to hear, and then adjust until it matches. It's a cycle of feedback that takes practice. There are a few areas that will be responsible for you singing out of pitch. First, musical ear. This is your ability to compare notes. Can you tell which one is higher or lower? If not, your ear might need some training. Second is musical memory. After hearing a short melody, can you replay it in your head? If not, you might need to practice there as well. Third one is singing technique. Are you able to hear yourself and know immediately that you're off pitch? If not, then your vocal muscles need more control, which comes with more practice and potentially even taking singing lessons. Now, can anyone learn to sing in tune? For most people, the answer is yes. Only about 2% of people in the world are actually tone deaf. So the chances that you're tone deaf are very, very slim. Now let's get into the pitch training game. The interface is really simple but effective. Our pitch training includes different exercises for various aspects of pitch control. You can work on longer notes for stability or faster exercises to improve your agility. Each exercise is targeted to help you with specific vocal challenges. You can simply hover your mouse over the description and it will tell you what it's for. If you're working on improving your agility, go ahead and select the exercises where speed is mentioned. First thing you'll see is a piano, which visually tracks your pitch. You will not only hear the notes, but you will see them too. This visual feedback is essential because it helps build awareness and lets you adjust your pitch more effectively. Oh, and don't forget to track your progress. After each session, the game provides you with detailed stats so you can see how much you've improved. Tracking your pitch accuracy over time is a great way to stay motivated and keep progressing. To make real progress, you need a routine. And it doesn't mean that all of a sudden now singing takes over your whole life and you gotta do it morning, evening, afternoon. No, literally 3 times a week for 10 minutes will make a world of difference. Set those days for yourself. Set the times and you will see a difference. I promise you. Consistency is the key. So if you're ready to start singing in tune, try our pitch training game. You'll notice over time how your ability to stay on pitch improves. Stick to your routine, track progress, and watch your voice transform. Thanks for watching and happy singing.